Hello friends, welcome to Simple Life. Hope you all are doing good. Let's make an instant rose lassi today. One of the best drink for summer. So all we need is curd. I'm going to make 2 glasses of lassi, so I'm going to use 1 glass of curd, 5 to 6 spoons of sugar, 4 to 5 pieces of ice cubes, and rose syrup. You can use any kind of rose syrup. I'm using ruabza today. So in a blender, let's add curd first. Then we are going to add sugar to it. After that, I'm going to add approximately 2 spoons of ruabza to it. And after that, I'm going to add ice cubes to it. And let's give it a nice blend on high speed. You can also use hand blender. We just need to mix all the ingredients together. I'm also going to add half glass of water to it. You can make your lassi according to your preference. If you like your lassi on a thicker side, don't add water to it because we have already added ice cubes. So here is our instant rose lassi ready. I find it one of the best option to skip my tea, and especially when guest comes during summertime, so it is a very easy and quick recipe. So hope you all like my today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.